What's up guys, I'm here again with another video, and yo, this is about the Sony FX3 or the Sony FX30. I'm actually here to show you guys how to update this camera. And the Sony FX30 or the Sony FX3, like both of them, like any Sony cameras, like basically updates the same way. So I love to use the SD card way or a type A way to update the camera. So it's very simple, very easy. So all you need to do is go on the Sony website. You'll see if you want to find the website, just type in like Sony FX3 or Sony FX30 update, and then you go on the website. Once you go on the website, you're going to see all the information that you need, you get me, such as what does this update come with, you know, the improvements and stuff like that. Then once you click download, then you just copy that information to the SD card and then put it in the camera. So once you put it in the camera, right, all you need to do is go to menu. Once you go to menu, you're going to scroll down until you see the tool pan, which is called setup. Then after you go to setup, go across and scroll down until you see setup options. Scroll down and then you see the word version. Go across, you're going to update the body, right? And then you see the body firmware that it's on right now. I'm actually on firmware 6.0. Yeah, I updated it this morning as I heard that it dropped. I'm like, yo, I got to get this update. I don't know if there's any issue with this update right now. I do hear that some people might have some issues with their cameras. I'm not sure, but hopefully I don't have it with mine. All right, so let me show you what does this shutter angle thing look like on screen. Right, and after the camera updates, you just wait for it to like restart, and then you just can start shooting. All right, so in the menu right now, so as you can see, I am seeing the word shutter, and you see the angle. It's pretty dope. All right, 1.2. Let me scroll around. So I'm just changing the shutter angle right now as I can go around. I'm not here to tell you what shutter angle is for, but yo, in the film world, it's very essential for me, because like I hate the idea of like always trying to change my shutter speed and stuff like that. I'm like, yo, 180, and I got this covered. Right, I know that there's other updates, but I'm not really interested in those other updates, because like I'm just really interested in this shutter angle update. And that's how easy and how simple it is. So if you guys should see like a YouTube video telling you the step-by-step process, and it takes like 30 minutes, I'm like, yo, it doesn't take that long. You get me? It's very simple, very easy. You can even use the creators app to update the camera, but this is the faster way to me. Right, so once you have the computer, SD card, your camera battery should be fully charged, right? I'm using it via 𝗕𝗏 power. Camera battery should be fully charged, and make sure that you're on like the latest, the firmware before the firmware that you're going to update to at all times. So if you guys want to see more videos like this, like, comment and subscribe for more. So I'll see you again in another video. Peace.